The best developers rarely get the job. Now, you're going to hear me say this a lot. This phrase should be your go-to reminder of how to present yourself. So let's unpack it. Almost every day, I meet developers who tell me, or should I say they beg of me, that if I would just interview them, give them a chance, that I would see that they are a great developer. Sound familiar? So it makes sense. Take a leap. They're giving me assurances. The problem is, everyone says this. It's like, thinking you look fabulous when you're getting ready for a party. And then when you get there, everyone's wearing the same dress. Now, that was a terrible party, but never mind. Now, the truth is, you might be a great developer. But if everyone's saying the same thing, who do I take a chance on? And one thing's for sure, if you're wrong and you're not that great, the person in deep you-know-what is me. I'm getting fired. So the stakes are pretty high. If you fail in the process and my manager or the client comes back to me and asks the inevitable question, why did you put this person forward, that's clearly below par? And I say, well, I took a leap of faith because, they begged for a chance. I may as well enable that green ring on LinkedIn. I am officially #open to work. So as a recruiter, I don't take leaps of faith. I go with evidence. And then if you fail, I have an evidence-filled profile to back me up. They can't fault me for not knowing about the intricacies of object-oriented development. They never paid me to learn that. So they can question my process, but then I have ammunition at the ready. So I did my due diligence to the level that anyone can reasonably expect. So I go with evidence. I go with the candidate that shows me their skills and their proactivity. So for each element on that job description that they've given me, I need to have something to show. So you asked for React, I can see it here. You asked for Redux, I can see it there and there. You asked for TypeScript, and I can see it in 3 of their projects on GitHub, for example. My ass is covered. So the best developers rarely get the job. It's the ones that present themselves in the best way that do, because they are the ones that I move forward. Do I, and every other recruiter, miss out on great developers using this strategy? Yes. And so would you if your paycheck depended on it. So recruiters do take risks. They take calculated risks. So now we need to explore how to deliver confidence. And we'll talk about that in the next video. See you then.